Good morning, class. So everybody, please stand up. Anna, can you lead us in prayer? The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. So once again, good morning, Section Maligaya. So how are you today? Are you feeling good? Okay, that's great. That's good to hear. I hope that every one of you are feeling good ahead of time. Okay? But before we proceed with our discussion for this morning, let me check first your attendance. And when I call your name, you say present. Okay? So Kurt, Vincent, Dave, Aliyah, Regine, May. Okay, very good, class. All of you are present this morning. So can you give yourselves 5 claps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. First class, I will present to you our classroom rules. Our rules every day, okay? So first, everybody kindly read. Okay, so do you have questions regarding our classroom rules, or you want to add something in our classroom rules? Okay, so since you don't have any questions, let's have a take a look back on our discussion yesterday. So who among from the class can still remember what we have tackled yesterday? Okay, so yesterday we tackled about the congruent line segment. So what is congruent line segment again, class? Okay, very good, class. It is the equality between two line segments. So I guess all of you are now ready for our new lesson because I believe you already mastered our lesson yesterday. So I know you are ready for new lessons for this morning. Okay, class? No further questions anymore. Okay, so I have prepared here an activity. And this activity is quite challenging because you are going to guess the perfect match of numbers. Okay? You listen carefully with my instructions so that as we go through with our activity, you will know. Okay? First is I will randomly call a name coming from our class. And then what you're going to do is you guess two numbers, two pair of numbers. And remember that all these numbers have its corresponding image inside. And once you pick two numbers, these two numbers must be matched. You know what is match? Okay, very good. They are pair. Or when we say eyes, the pair of eyes is also another eyes. Okay? Okay. So let's start with May. Give me two numbers. 1 and 7. Very good. May get a correct perfect match. Because 1 and 7 is when we add the two pair of image. When we, what we call this one? We move the other one here, they are a perfect match and they will create a Taj Mahal image. Okay, so how about Cyrus? Okay, perfect one. 10 and what about part of 10? 5. So let's take a look. 5 and 10. Oh, perfect. A house. Okay, they are perfect house. Okay, so you have no further questions. So how did you find our activity? Oh, very good. You really did your job, or you did good job, class. So based from our activity, who has an idea what was our lesson for this morning? Very good, class. It's all about symmetry. So who has an idea of symmetry? But before you are going to answer with that, class, let us first, or I want you to read our objectives for this morning. Okay, class? So first is we have, at the end of the lesson, 80% of the grade 3 students will be able to. Very good. So what do you think of our objectives, class? Is it achievable? Okay. That's a great, a positive attitude. I really appreciate that, class. Very good. So let's give ourselves a 1, 2, 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then, what do you think of our objectives? Is it achievable? Okay. So we are going to know if our objectives is achievable once we go through with our lesson for this morning. So who among from the class can give me any idea of what is symmetry? When you hear the word symmetry, what comes into your mind? Oh, very good. A mirror image. How about you? Okay, so when we cut it half, we are the mirror of the image. Okay, so everybody, let us define the definition of symmetry. So everybody kindly read, class. Okay, so again, when we say symmetry, it is a mirror image of a specific objects or design when cut in half. So these are the examples of symmetry. So when we look back to our activity a while ago, these are the images being created. So a butterfly. When we cut, they are mirror of each other. Okay, class? So when we cut, the other one is the same with this one. Okay? And then we also have the leaves. So when we cut the leaves here, they mirror each other. Okay? So it's same. How many leaves here are also present here? So what are the arrangement here is also the same with this one. Okay? So another one is this one. This is a pattern, a design which has a pattern. So all the pattern, the designs are symmetry. So when we take a look this part, it's also the same with this one. Okay? And then the Taj Mahal. So when we cut in half, the other side and this one is also the same. Okay? And how about this one? The Lotus Temple. So when we cut it half here, to take a look here and here are also symmetrical or symmetry. And this one, the White House. When we cut it half, this one and this one are the same. Okay? Okay, very good, class. So let's give ourselves a very good clap. So 1, 2, 3, very good, very good, very good. Any other questions? Verifications? Insights gained from our discussion, class? And so far, okay, since you don't have a question, again, what is the definition of symmetry again, class? Okay, symmetry is a mirror image of an object. Okay, specific object that are being cut in half. Okay, and then who can give me an example of symmetry that is found in the environment or can be seen in the environment? Very good. A butterfly in leaves. How about in your home? Do you can still remember, or you found something that is symmetry in your home, or objects that is symmetry? Okay, can you name? Very good. A picture frame. Very good, class. How about symmetry in design? Can you name one? Very good. A pattern. This one is? Oh, very good. This is symmetry. Okay, class. Let's give ourselves a Matalino clap. 1, 2, 3. Matalino, Matalino, Matalino. Okay. And then, I know that you really understand our lesson, class. Since I really know that you are so participative in our discussion. And I really hope that you've really learned, okay? Because as your teacher, I am happy when you learn something every day. Okay, class? So, based from our given examples that I show you, class, we can say that symmetry can be found in our environment, anywhere. It can in different, it also can be found in different design creatures, just like this one. Okay? So it seems that you fully understood really our lesson. So but before we end with our discussion, I have prepared here an activity for you class. Okay? So I will be first thing is I will group you into 4. And then you are going to have a different activity. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4 have different activity that needed to be achieved. And I will be only giving 5 minutes to finish the activity. And then remember this one class. Select one representative to share your output to the class. Okay? Are we clear? Okay. So, let's count first 1 to 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This time, all group 1, you may stay here. Group 2, and then group 3, and also group 4. Okay. And then, choose one leader from your group. Choose one person to be a leader. And then, leader, please come here in front. And this is your materials. So for group 1, this is what you are going to do. Group 1, this is you're going to follow this instruction. And group 2, this is what you are going to do. And group 3, the last one is for group 4, this is what you are going to do, okay? So you have any other questions? Okay. So you go back to your group now. Then don't do your task yet. So I have here a very important reminders. And then I have prepared here a rubrics. This will be your guide in doing your activity. And you will be graded based on these rubrics. Okay, class? Okay. So you may now start your task. Oh, 1 minute left. Okay, time is up, class. Group 1, present your work. Oh, very good, Group 1. Let's give Group 1 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Group 2, follow. Oh, let's give also Group 2 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. And then next is Group 3. Okay, Group 3. Let's give Group 3 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. And the last one is Group 4. So let's give Group 4 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So everyone, kindly give yourselves a very good clap since I saw that each group really did well in our activity. Okay? So let's give a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, class. So I really noticed that most of you really, all of you really understand our lessons for this morning. So do you have any questions, clarifications regarding our topic for this morning? Since there is no clarifications, I have prepared here an activity. And what you are going to do, class, is you are going to look at the pictures. And then you are going to encircle the pictures that shows or that is symmetry. Okay, that when we cut in half, it forms or we call they created or they can be symmetry. Okay, so I'll be giving you 5 minutes to finish the task, and after that, we're going to pass your paper. Okay, okay, class. So get one and pass, get one and pass, get one and pass, get one and pass. Start your work now, class. Oh, class, time is up. In a count of 3, all your papers needed to be passed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, papers in? Okay, very good. So before we end our class for today, class, I have here an assignment for you to do. What you are going to do is you need to capture at least 5 pictures or cut in an image in a magazine that shows or considered symmetrical. It can be shown in the environment or a design. Okay? And then once you cut or you already captured pictures, you need to paste it in your notebook. And then don't forget to name that pictures. Okay? Are we clear? No further questions. So did you understand our assignment? Did you get it? No questions? How about our discussions in symmetry? No questions. Since all of these none so far questions, you don't have a question anymore. So let's call it a day, class. Goodbye and thank you, class.